Hey guys, it's Brittany Monroe. I'm a realtor with Tropic Shores Realty in Citrus County, Florida. Today I'm just north of the Citrus County line. I'm in Levy County in the town of Inglis, touring this property that recently came on the market. It's listed with Ruth Squires with RES Luxury Group. It is an awesome property. It's definitely not your average cookie cutter home. There are so many upgrades and extras in this property. It's located on 1.71 acres. There's no homeowners association in this neighborhood. There's a public boat ramp just down the street. So if you are one who loves fishing or loves boating and wants quick access to that, you can shortly get to the public boat ramp and enjoy all those activities. Also, you could have plenty of space here on this property to park your boats or RVs or what have you. This is a 3-bedroom, 2 full bathroom home, 2 half bathrooms. It has a custom saltwater pool. Wait till you see the awesome sunken conversation space. It's got a formal dining room, an amazing kitchen, and also just a really cool layout. So if you're interested in this property, please give me a call at 352-507-5675 and be sure to check the description below. It'll have the address, the price, all the details. Come take a tour with me. Thanks so much for joining me on this home tour. I absolutely love touring unique properties like this. I love this small town, Inglis, really quiet, near the Gulf of Mexico, Gulf of America, however you'd like to say it. Public boat ramp just down the street. You can park any boat here on this property, no homeowners association, on 1.71 acres. Awesome property. Over 2,900 living square footage, really cool saltwater pool. What more could you ask for? Just a great property. So if you're interested in this property, please give me a call at 352-507-5675. Be sure to check the description below. It's got the address, the price, all the details. And if you'd like to see it in person, give me a call. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider hitting the subscribe button for more home tours here in Citrus County, Florida. Have a good one.